Is artificial intelligence the future of creativity, or its inevitable downfall? AI is no longer just changing how we work, it's transforming how we create. From visual art and music to novels and scripts, AI is now an active player in the creative world. Some see it as revolutionary, others a threat. But one thing is clear, AI is here, and it's rewriting the rules of creativity. AI isn't just calculating numbers anymore, it's painting, composing, and even writing poetry. Tools like DALL-E and Runway ML turn words into visuals. AI VA creates music in minutes. ChatGPT drafts novels and marketing scripts on command. This technology has lowered the barrier to entry. Now anyone with an idea can bring it to life. For many artists, AI is not a threat, it's a partner. Writers use it to brainstorm. Musicians blend human sound with machine rhythms. Designers automate tasks and free up creative energy. AI enhances the process, speeding up workflow, offering fresh ideas and expanding possibilities. Still, this creative boom comes with challenges. Many worry that jobs could be replaced, designers, copywriters, musicians. If machines can do it cheaper and faster, where does that leave the artists? And then there's the copyright issue. Who owns AI-generated content, and is it truly original or just a remix of the past? AI learns from human work, art, books, music, often without consent. Can it truly create if it lacks life experience, emotion, and context? The answer isn't clear, but the debate is vital for the future of art. AI isn't just copying, it's expanding the definition of art. Imagine interactive novels that shift with your mood, or exhibits co-created with AI. This is the new frontier. But make no mistake, human emotion, culture, and intuition are irreplaceable. The soul of creativity is still ours. So, will AI elevate creativity or erode it? The truth lies in how we use it. AI is just a tool. But with the right mindset, it can become a creative ally. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, add your unique voice to the mix. What's your take? Is AI a creative partner or a problem? Subscribe for more videos on tech, art, and innovation.